Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another plan with me. I know I haven't done them in a while, but I am having such busy days. I've just been keeping all these doctor's appointments on the phone, and I'm like, okay, it's time to actually go back to doing things that I like rather than just keep on doing appointments. So, and we're going to be doing June 9th through the 15th. And as I opened up my planner, I saw this sheet, and it was just a sheet from the Happy Planner, and I loved the colors. They are more fall, but I thought I would still do like a spring because of the flowers and the butterflies. Let me know what you think. I do, of course, have all of my other fun stuff, and if we have to get into that, we will. But I wanted to go ahead and check these out, and I think these are more for a big planner, but I could be wrong. So like I said, I have lots of things that have to get done and different appointments. So I will be using a lot of these check boxes. And no, they do fit in the classic, which I love that. And I'm going to use probably every other day I'll have a checklist. Usually I do 2 to 3, but I may be even using more than that just because of how busy it's been. So I'm going and grabbing these guys. And I don't have a plan in my head because I know a lot of you ask how I plan out my planner spreads and cards, and you guys, I just grab and go and see what happens. So we will see here. I'm thinking that 4 might be enough. I think that's 16, and then we have different things. I have different doctor's appointments and stuff every single day of the week. So usually on Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays are kind of my, rest days, but it all depends. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to use, like I said, I'm going to use these, but I want to try and make them a little bit still. Well, I did that one wrong. I'm going to do this one here. And why did I say wrong? Because I wanted to put them like this, and I didn't want the flower to be covered up by just blank space. So I think I'll be doing that, and then I'll take one of these. I'm going to take this one actually, and we'll put him here. So we're going to do some butterflies, and don't be afraid to cover things up like that. I love that look. And I also love the big butterflies, so we're going to use some of those. What you don't want to cover up, unless you want to go through with a hole punch or the Happy Planner punch, you don't want to cover these little guys up. But I think I've shown you before where you can just use a hole punch and then do paper snip or snip out the little piece there. If you haven't seen that before, definitely check out some of my other videos. So this thing moves up and down, but we're going to make do. So I've got these beautiful flowers here, and I think I'm going to put one here. And I'm going to put one more, maybe right here. There we go. And then we'll use this one here. I'm going to put that one right here. And then we'll go with the purple. And I purposely, it looks like I'm just overlapping like this, but I overlap because I could write something right here, and then I still have room to write things down here And then I have all of this. Same here, I have a little space there, a little space there, and then all of that. So when you are laying out your stickers, make sure you lay them out with some type of thought in mind. So we are going to put these little guys just like that. So cute. And then let's take another one. And we'll put this one. And I'm going to go right here. And then we'll do this one coming that way. And I'll even do one more coming that way there. Now these are adorable. I don't think I have too much more. You could be done at this point, or I could be done at this point, but we're gonna look to see if there's any fun little things in here that might go well, especially with some sayings. Always remember that grace will take you places hustling can't. See, this is why I always look. And I just found another one that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to set that aside. And I'm going to put this one right here. And then this is the one. Hold, please. And this goes with a little bit of those colors you could see there. And I'm just going to put this right here. Oh, and it says, be proud of who you are. So I love that. And you see how it kind of goes together with the different colors. I'm going to look for one more for something right about here, but I'm not real sure what yet. Take chances, going places. I do like this one. This was Focus on Happy. I think that is definitely one that I would like. Move that right there. I think that might be it. I think I want to put one more little cluster of butterflies right here. We'll put a whole little family, right? And then here, I'll put another one here and here. Oh yeah, that is adorable. So there we go. Let me know what you think. If you like that, please give me a big thumbs up. You guys, it took one sheet and then three other stickers to make that whole spread. So I love it. I can't wait to fill this out with my pen, and I hope you like it too. Please stay tuned. I'm going to be trying to do more videos, and like I said, I need to right here focus on happy. So I hope you forgive me for not making videos each and every day. My life is kind of hectic and in an uproar right now, But I definitely miss you guys, and I will be talking to you soon. All right, have a great day. Bye.
You like watching me make something, then subscribe to my channel and